Hi there. Today we're going to talk about why zebras have stripes. And I'm going to tell you how scientists use the scientific process to solve one of nature's big mysteries. So, I'd like you to picture this. A zebra is munching on grass in a field in Africa. Nearby, a horsefly is buzzing around looking for food. The insect bites a nearby animal and drinks its blood. The fly is tiny, but it can be a big problem. It can pass on deadly diseases as it feeds. Luckily for the zebra, the hungry fly doesn't land on it. Why? A biologist at the University of California, Tim Caro, believes it has to do with the zebra's stripes. He says that we grow up learning that pandas are black and white, leopards are spotted, and zebras are striped. But not enough people ask, why? For at least 150 years, scientists pondered why zebras have stripes. Some guessed the patterns distract predators, allowing zebras to escape attacks. Others thought the stripes might keep zebras cool. Caro followed these steps of the scientific process to try to solve the mystery. Zebras live in parts of the world that have the most horseflies that carry diseases. But most zebras don't catch these diseases. Caro wanted to know, do zebra stripes stop flies from biting? He designed a plan to find out. Caro visited a farm in the United Kingdom where zebras, horses, and horseflies all lived. There, he compared how horseflies landed on horses and on zebras. He also dressed horses in different coats, one that was all black, one that was all white, and one that had a black and white zebra pattern. These outfits allowed Caro to observe how the horseflies reacted to the different colors and patterns. It was also very funny looking, but quite the experiment. His team used video cameras to record flies near the horses and zebras. The footage showed each fly's flight path. So from a distance, the flies seemed equally interested in landing on zebras and on horses. But when Caro and his team looked at the videos carefully, by zooming in and looking at them in slow motion, they saw two very different behaviors. When a horsefly was about to land on a horse, it slowed down, extended its legs, right before landing. But when a fly neared a zebra, it didn't slow down at all. It flies past the zebra or bounces off of it, said Caro. His team also noticed that when a horse wore a zebra pattern, like one of those funny outfits, flies didn't land on the stripes. Instead, they landed on the uncovered head of the horse, which didn't have any stripes. The scientists found that far fewer flies landed on zebras than on horses, and horses dressed up as zebras attracted fewer flies than horses wearing no coat or white and all black coats. So as Caro suspected, evidence showed that the stripes discouraged flies from landing. Scientists don't know why the stripes help, but Caro's findings show that the stripes are an adaptation that helps keep the flies away. I'd like you to continue this learning journey by thinking about some things. If you were a scientist, what type of scientist would you be? Why would you be that type of scientist? And what scientific mysteries would you try to solve? Now it's your turn to play an investigation of an animal. Choose an animal that you've always wanted to learn about. Answer the questions that I give you to plan an investigation about that animal. Use books or the internet to research your animal and complete your investigation. You can ask a research question, you can make a prediction, and then you plan your experiment. this is how the scientific process works. So when you ask a research question, this is how scientists do it. Scientists begin a research project by asking a question that can be answered by an investigation. What question about your animal do you want to answer? When you make a prediction, this is how scientists do it. You research the animal. Use what you find out during your research to make a prediction or possible answer to your question. And then you plan your experiment. Design an experiment that could be used to test your prediction. Describe your experiment setup and the type of data or observations you will collect. Write the steps for your experiment down and continue on a separate sheet of paper if needed. And then share your information with me by posting. Have fun! I can't wait to learn all about your favorite animals or all the animals that you're fascinated by and want to learn more about. Take care. Bye.